Thanks for tuning in to another great episode. Now, this one today will be another review on some car ramps. So let's see how they work out. Alright, so these car ramps are made by Rhino Amps Max FLO tool. 16K pounds strongest steel, made in the USA. Look at that. They're a hard plastic and they're stackable. Got little rubber things here. Now y'all all know I have a lowrider, so this will come in handy just to try to get underneath it. So let's unhook them, stick them under the truck, and see how it goes. Alright, so as you can see here, my truck is still too low. So basically wasted money on those. But they look like they would be pretty good. Seem to be somewhat sturdy. I would definitely have them on level ground though when you go up on them. But this is some of the issues I have when I try to go to shops is you can't clear the ramps. So I definitely need to make this truck up a little bit higher so that it will at least clear ramps. She's just super low static. That was mainly why I bought those, to see maybe if I could get away with it. Now if that piece on the front wasn't on there, we would be good to go. Okay, so basically that video there that you just seen was just kind of a review on some ramps. I've been wanting to get some ramps for a while, especially since I got this little but of course with the lower truck it causes issues. I could probably modify them a little bit though. Take some wood and kind of extend off of them. But basically it was a video to show that if you got a lowered vehicle, these ramps will not going to work for you. And I don't even know if it would work for some cars. So basically I think they just work for standard regular size pickup or car that hasn't been modified. So, yep. Probably work on the back tires, but not the front tires. So that's just a little review. Not much to this video. But if it's your first time, make sure and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. And until next time, keep it simple and sweet. And at the end of this video, I'm just going to have some rolling footage of me driving around with the GoPro on general. So keep watching. Till next time.